Hello and welcome to Solving Problems by Working Backwards. This is Chapter 9, Lesson 7 from the Nelson Math Focus textbook, and you're listening to Grade 6 Mathcast with Mr. Burko. Our goal today is to work backwards to solve problems that involve decimals. And we have a character in our textbook who is named Zoe. She wants to move a heavy load of books to the school library. She decides that she's going to divide it into 4 trips, and she's moving the same amount of books each time, so each one should weigh the same as the other. The smaller loads, though, she found were too heavy, so she decided to take out 5.4 kilograms of books from each load. What ended up happening was that each load of books ended up being 15.2 kilograms. So we're not exactly sure how much it started out as. We know what it ended up as, and we know what she took away from each pile, and what we want to know is how heavy is the original load, all of the books combined together. Now, this is the type of thing that you can do by addition, but we're going to try and do it with multiplication today. And the reason for that is sometimes when we were doing more complicated formulas like this, it's easier to, and it's quicker to do a multiplication formula using the order of operations. And so what I've done is I've created the formula here for you. We're going to add the amount we took away from each pile back onto the amount that we know it weighs. So 5.4 kilograms plus 15.2 kilograms. Then we know there's 4 piles of books in total, so we're going to multiply that total by 4. That's why we need the parentheses. If we multiplied 4 times 5.4 and then added 15.2, then that wouldn't be like adding 5 piles of books, or 4 piles of books. That would only be adding 1 pile of books. Okay, so the order of operations is really important here. You're going to do the contents of the parentheses first, then multiply that by 4. I'd like you to pause the presentation and take a moment to figure that out on your own. Go ahead and get a calculator if you want, or figure it out on paper, whatever's easiest. And you probably even have a calculator on your computer that you can use right now. So pause the presentation and give it a shot. All right, welcome back. So hopefully you're going to find the same answer as I did. I'm adding 5.4 to 15.2. I found that that is 20.6. I kept the parentheses there just to remind us where we got that total from. We're going to multiply 4 times 20.6. That's going to give us 82.4 kilograms. So what we're saying is that the total load of all the books was 82.4 kilograms. It's a lot of books she was carrying. Thanks for joining me. That's the end of our lesson today, and I'll see you next time.